Hello everyone, we are Marine Life Supporters. Today we're going to present to you the two prototypes of our project. One is underwater and the other one is airborne.
Can you imagine losing your loved ones due to drowning? This incident would break your heart for the loss of your family and friends. And what's even worse is that their bodies were never found.
This is exactly what happened in 2023. A group of friends decided to go on a fishing trip. They rented the boat and started their trip. But suddenly, a storm hit the boat. Two of them was able to survive, and the other two were swept away by the water.
Despite an extensive search, their bodies were never found. And what made the tragedy even worse is the lack of safety precautions. No life jackets, no weather checks. This tragedy is a severe reminder of the ocean's unpredictable danger.
Did you know that 15% of deaths in Saudi Arabia are caused by injuries and accidents? And 7% of them are caused by drowning? But what if technology like robots was involved?
With advancements in technology, these tragedies can be significantly reduced. We designed a prototype that can detect drowning risks, monitor weather conditions, and provide rescue assistance, which could be a game changer. Such a robot could save countless lives and ensure a safer swimming experience for everyone.
This is the prototype of our project. We will be adding sensors and camera to sense any suspicious action and to identify the kind of the suspicious action. And this is how it works.
The algorithms that we are going to be using is HOG, which is also known as histogram of oriented gradients. This algorithm takes the video from the camera, divides into small images, which then divides into small blocks, analyzing the blocks and stating all the features, then sending all those features to the SVM, which then identifies if it's a human or if it's an object.
We will also be using the SVM, or the Support Vector Machine. This is a classification algorithm that is used to determine if the image contains a human or not. If it contains a human, then signals like sounds and red lights will be shown, and the location will be sent to the lifeguards. But if it was an object, a green light will be shown, and the object will be kept again later. We created this website to help the lifeguards in knowing the exact position of the drowning person.
We will be taking the code that the robot sends to the lifeguards, putting it in the website that we made, and then detecting where the drowning victim is located. Did you know that in 2013, Carrie Litz, a professional diver, died in 2013 in Florida? She was exploring a wreck at about 60 feet underwater, and she lost consciousness, most likely due to a shallow water blackout, which is probably and more likely due to her unawareness of the high pressure that she was facing. She died alone, unknowingly that she would face any lack of oxygen or anything like that. So, if this robot was invented at her time, she would have been saved, she would have survived. For these stories and this kind of things that happen, we made this robot. This robot contains this kit that contains oxygen tanks and some waterproof gauze. And our sensor includes a sensing vibration that will send your location. If you've been seen, your location is going to be sent through a GPS sensor, and it's going to be sent to lifeguards, and they might help you out before any lack of oxygen could happen. With future work, we will make it smaller and we will make it waterproof, and it will use water energy instead of these batteries. And the fans are going to be more accurate. And since we have all our wires visible to everything, we're going to make it more professional, and we're going to make full coverage to the whole thing. Thank you for listening. We are Marine Life Supporters.